All right, so I wanted to show you kind of what my daily lunch breakfast looks like, because I get a lot of questions about that. Like, what do you eat when you're trying to eat healthy, but you're busy at work, you're on the go? Like, I get it. I'm not in a go job now as I was a few years back, but I used to be in a very busy job where I barely had time to eat. I was on the run all the time, driving, working out in the heat. So I get it. It's hard to maintain it, but it's definitely doable. So first off, this is my lunchbox. It's just a cold bag. I've got the square ice packs, the thin ones that I put in here to keep stuff cold. This is my water thermos, 72 ounces. I make sure I drink one of these before I get home from work. Then I drink more water at night. So that's kind of the basics. Now, what do I eat for breakfast and lunch? So breakfast is pretty simple, and some of my supplies are low. Tomorrow's grocery shopping day, so like I have no more of my nuts and seeds. But regardless, so for breakfast, oatmeal. I do oatmeal with water. Sometimes I'll dump some protein powder in there if I need some extra protein. I do fruit, blueberries, strawberries. Honestly, I pick up whatever's on sale at the grocery store. I'm cheap, and that's my wife. And so I just buy whatever's on sale, and that's the fruit I'm going to eat with my oatmeal each morning. I do also put a sprinkle of stevia in with my oatmeal and some cinnamon just to give it some flavor. I also do egg whites for breakfast. How many just depends on how hungry I am. So I'll try to get some of those in as well. Again, at my work, there's a microwave, so I throw them in there and cook them. If you're home, you can throw them on the stove and eat them, however it works for you. Mid-morning, I have pumpkin seeds and almonds. Again, I said I'm cheap. The grocery store I shop at has bulk items. So let's say walnuts are on sale one week. Guess what? I'm going with walnuts instead of almonds. Or if cashews are on sale one week, cashews are never on sale. But you get the idea. So that's my mid-morning snack. Then for lunch, I do 2 hard-boiled eggs. And then I do pasta, and this is the veggie and whole wheat pasta mix. I do that with chicken and homemade pasta sauce, and I just use the crushed tomatoes. I cook it on the stove, add spices, add a little bit of tomato paste, and I've got my own homemade tomato sauce that doesn't have all the added sugar that your canned pasta sauces have. And that's what I typically eat for breakfast and lunch. For afternoon, I typically will do a protein smoothie. And then dinner is different all the time. But you can see how easy it is to set up your routine for your lunch and dinner. And again, you don't have to have the ideal circumstances to make this work. You can eat the oatmeal before you leave, or if you have a microwave at your work, you can cook it there. Like there's ways around everything. So don't let the idea of, well, I'm busy and we're all busy and you can make this work. So I just wanted to give you a glimpse into what kind of my typical day looks like, and I hope this gives you some ideas for how to set up your day. All right, if you found this helpful, please like or comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. And remember, most importantly, I know you have voices in your head that are telling you things, you have other people that are telling you things, that you can't do this, that it doesn't work. It's bullcrap. You can make this work. If you commit to it, you can do this. You've got this.